Verbs for everyday life. Break up. Separate, split up. Did Sarah and Mark break up? Yes, they split up last month. Call off. Cancel. Did they call off the meeting? Yes, they canceled it due to bad weather. Look after. Take care of. Will you look after my dog? Of course, I'll take care of him. Look for. Search for. Are you looking for your keys? Yes, I can't find them. Pick up. Collect. Can you pick up some groceries? Sure, I'll collect them on my way home. Turn on. Switch on. Can you turn on the lights? Sure, I'll switch them on. Turn off. Switch off. Did you remember to turn off the oven? Yes, I switched it off after baking. Put on. Where? What should I put on for the party? Wear that beautiful dress. Take off. Remove. Should I take off my shoes? Yes, please remove them before entering. Take out. Throw away out. Can you take out the trash? Yes, I'll throw it away. Get up. Rise. What time do you usually get up? I rise at 7 a.m. Check in. Arrive and register at a hotel. Did you check in at the hotel? Yes, we registered at the reception. Check out. Leave or depart from hotel. When do we need to check out of the hotel? Checkout time is usually by 7 a.m. Turn up. Arrive. Did she turn up for the meeting? No, she didn't arrive on time. Put off. Postpone. Did they put off the wedding? Yes, they postponed it due to illness. Hold on. Wait. Can you hold on for a moment? Sure, I'll wait. Bring back. Return. Did you bring back the library books? Yes, I returned them. Look up. Search for. Can you look up that word? Sure, I'll search for it. Run out of. Have no more of something. Did we run out of milk? Wake up. Awaken. When do you usually wake up? I awaken early. Get along. Have a good relationship. Do you get along with your neighbors? Yes, I have a good relationship. Turn down. Reject. Did they turn down your job application? Yes, they rejected it. Look forward to. Anticipate or hope for. Are you looking forward to the vacation? Yes, I am looking forward to it.